Hey guys, welcome back to a new NASDAQ Weekly report. Of course, from last week we were expecting a buy, and yeah, we got a buy, but not as much as I would expect. Not as much as I expected. I expected more buy, but then NASDAQ got a little buy and then a bearish continuation. So, but for this week, I'm gonna quickly go ahead and click on the play button first, so you guys can see the short buy that we got, and before we got the bearish continuation. So we're just going to go straight ahead to this week chart analysis and a little bit of all through of next week and this week as well. What should we expect for the NASDAQ market? Yeah, so one thing we would know is now that the NASDAQ market has officially broken the overall bullish trend line. It's now broken the bullish trend line for a bearish trend. So the NASDAQ market is on a bearish market. So, but what should we expect? What should we do from this point? How should we take our positions? Is what we're going to be discussing on this video. So stay tuned. I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Alright guys, so what I went out to do was to go on to the higher time frames to correlate with previous market charts, so that we can identify key parameters, key marks that we can know to, so that we can use it to decide what a possibility of what the NASDAQ market is likely to do now. So currently making this video, the NASDAQ market is at 1400 mark. Let's just say 1400 mark, and it's also in a trade consolidation, so we might as well trade a breakout here, and we can also see the support and resistance, also see the inward bearish trend line, expecting a break. If we get a break, we're gonna go to 15300. I'll put that up on the screen right now, and if we can't see any break, we're gonna come back down to the support. But if we get the breakdown side, we're gonna go straight down to 13600. All these I have seen from what the NASDAQ market has done in the past months ago. Since the COVID-19 pandemic, the NASDAQ market has always been bullish. So yeah, it tells a lot for what we can expect from now. So from now, what I can say is, first thing we do, we have to trade the consolidation breakout, right? We have to buy at this point to resistance as usual, obviously what everyone would do. We should do that, and after doing that, we should pay attention to the key level of 14500 mark, because that parameter is likely to be a reversal or a breakout. So it's not just going to be breaking the resistance, it's also going to break the consolidation, it's also going to break the inward bearish trend line. So pay attention to that key mark, very important. So that's what we should expect. You can see the risk ratio is actually very good. We're only risking a little portion of our account for a wide take profit margin, so it's pretty much very good. Take the trade like this. Your stop loss should be just a bit below support, and make sure you are aware of when the market is likely to break the support to head down to 13600. But my bias though is a buy from now, from tomorrow, Friday market opening. We should expect a buy and throughout of next week too. So stay tuned as I conclude on the NASDAQ Weekly report. anyways, as you can see, so many things are posing for a buy continuation. You want to be very sure when it gets to 14,500 mark. If the Nasdaq market gets to that point for the third time after consolidating for a while, it's most likely it's going to go straight down to almost 1,000 points, from 14,500 to almost 15,300 mark. So we're going to wait for a breakout of resistance, inward bearish trend line, and the consolidation breakouts. So all these confirmations, I'll be giving them on my Telegram group as usual. So if you're not in the Telegram group, you might as well give this video a like and join the group. And all links will be in the description. And that's pretty much it for this one, guys. I'll also be sharing signals on the VIP team. I've been busy this week, but I'm back now. Since we have the analysis now, that means signals will be ready. So that is it for this one, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe on this YouTube channel for more analysis like this. Stay safe.